Luke and Josh here with a quick video on how we install a Propex HS2000 underneath our truck fridges. We sell an installation and trim kit, which will come with your two trim pieces on the side, a nice mounting plate. We also sell one without the Propex vents, but this one does have a Propex underneath. Two brackets for the truck fridge to sit right on top, and there is a Propex HS2000 underneath the fridge. The HS2000 is the only unit that will actually fit underneath the truck fridge. The other two units are too large, and it will not fit under your original Westy fridge, but as everybody knows, they're not very efficient and they don't get very cold, so yeah, it's kind of a win-win on there. We like to go underneath the truck fridge because it is a space that's unutilized most of the time in a van, and obviously space is a huge thing.
The other nice thing about these this solution is that the space to the right of the Propex is utilized now for either a battery charger. We've installed air compressors in there, we've installed fuse blocks, all kinds of stuff. So there's a lot of different options that you can do in there, and it's just a great solution for that unused space. Just like Luke said,
Yeah,
every inch counts in a Westie.
absolutely. And as we can see here, this is actually your hot air out, and then this is going to be your fresh air in. Does not necessarily need to be connected to the fresh air, as long as you have an open space for the unit to actually draw fresh air. You're be more than fine. And then, so it does a nice circulation of heat inside the cabin to keep you nice and toasty all winter long. If you have any questions, visit us at vancafe.com or shoot us an email, support@vancafe.com. We'd be happy to help.